Every DIY expert, technician, or home repair enthusiast knows that the right tools can make all the difference. Today, we're exploring 5 incredible smart tools that are not only powerful and efficient, but also thoughtfully designed to make your tasks easier, safer, and faster. From high-precision soldering tip cleaners to powerful chainsaws and everything in between, these tools are the definition of modern convenience. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Soldering Tip Cleaner. The infrared sensor soldering tip cleaner by Yihua offers an incredible smart and efficient solution for cleaning your soldering tips in just 1 second. With its infrared induction system, it starts cleaning automatically as soon as the soldering iron is inserted. No buttons, no switches. The fully enclosed design prevents solder splashing, enhancing safety and reducing mess. Its cleaning tray is easy to remove and reusable, while the brush composition ensures effective cleaning without damaging your tip. Plus, its magnetic assembly allows for quick and secure lid removal. If you're working with electronics or doing precise soldering work, this compact tool will keep your soldering tips in optimal condition, ensuring better heat transfer and cleaner joints every time. Number 4. Welding Torch Flame. The MAP Gas Welding Torch by Taiwo Master is a must-have for HVAC technicians, plumbers, and metalworkers. Designed to work with MAP or propane gas, it delivers a flame temperature of up to 2,000 degrees, hot enough for soldering, brazing, and light welding tasks. Its 360 degrees rotating torch head offers flexibility in tight spaces, and the 1.5-meter EN559 hose provides enough reach for comfortable operation. Equipped with piezo ignition for quick startup and compatible with 14.1 to 16-ounce CGA 600 gas cylinders, it offers long burn times and consistent flame quality. This torch is rugged, reliable, and built for demanding applications like pipe fitting, HVAC repair, and outdoor heating jobs. Number 3. Water Pump Pliers. The LAOA water pump pliers combine strength, precision, and comfort in one sleek design. Made from CRMO steel, these pliers go through high-frequency quenching, achieving a hardness of HRC 58, which makes them wear-resistant and long-lasting. What sets them apart is the quick-release button system, allowing you to easily adjust jaw size for different applications. The V-shaped tongs with inverted tooth design provide a firm grip on round, square, and hex workpieces up to 50 millimeters in size. With ergonomic dual-layer plastic handles, they offer superior grip and control, ideal for plumbing work, auto repairs, or any job that demands high torque and stability. Number 2. Alcohol Test Refractometer. Perfect for breweries, laboratories, and even DIY enthusiasts, the RZ Alcohol Refractometer allows you to measure alcohol volume with ease. Featuring built-in ATC, this device gives precise readings regardless of temperature fluctuations between 10 to 30 degrees Celsius. It's compact, lightweight, and requires no batteries or power, relying on ambient light. Simply add a few drops of liquid on the prism, close the cover, and look through the eyepiece to read your measurement. With adjustable manual focus, a rubber eyepiece, and clear scale display, this handheld tool is perfect for those who value accuracy in spirit blending, distillation, or scientific testing. Number 1. Electric chainsaw. Powerful, portable, and incredibly efficient. This 24-volt mini electric chainsaw is the ultimate gardening and woodworking companion. Equipped with a 550-watt pure copper motor, it delivers fast-cutting performance with a chain speed of 5 meters per second, all while being light enough to hold with one hand. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.